Hello, my name is Ryan and I'm one of the co-founders of Journey Early Learning. At Journey, we care, we communicate and we support all our educators. Working in partnership with our team, everyone at Journey puts the children at the centre of all our decisions. I ask you, do you feel supported in your current workplace? Are you treated as an important member of the team? Is your employer focused on the best outcomes for the children? In recent times, we are proud to say we have demonstrated the Journey values, connection, communication and consideration with all our educators and families. Our team is united and focused on how we can continually improve no matter what challenges we will face in the future. Excitingly, our families feel as positive as we do about being involved with Journey across all our local communities. Therefore, we are growing and we want to take this opportunity to welcome new experienced educators who are capable, motivated and bring the best version of themselves to work every day. Joining Journey is a fantastic next step in your early childhood career, and there are additional benefits you will access from day one, including professional and personal development programs, a day off for your birthday, a gift on your anniversary, days to volunteer in the local community, and regular educator webinars to keep you informed of everything Journey. It's time to reach out to us about joining the Journey. Be inspired, be motivated, grow, develop, and be part of a great vision. Journey Early Learning, where it all begins.